Good afternoon, YouTube. It's going to be loud. There's going to be a lot of cars coming by here, so there's going to be some road noise. But this is an update, final video for the catalytic converter flex joint job that I did on the Volkswagen Routan slash Chrysler Town and Country slash Dodge Caravan 2009. You know, actually any years 2008 all the way up to 2012, I think, and they switched to the next generation. But let's flip this around here. I don't have my case on my phone, so I'm taking a big chance. Here we go. Now, you can't really see it that well, but there's the flex joint. Doing fine. I think most of the paint burnt off anyway. It was heat paint, but I don't have any whistling noises. I don't have any odd noises at all. All the bolts are tight. I checked them. I know this is a crappy video, but this is it. At least, you know, with some wear and tear on it already. A couple months down the road. Figured we'd get real with the video here. And it looks pretty good. Looks real good. No real issues, so successful fix. On the other hand, finally I got around to doing the actual cause of the first issue, you know, with the flex joint braking and stuff. Most likely with all that, I mean, the flex joint is for the engine moving, you know, towards you or away from you as you're sitting in the, you know, the seat driving the car. You step on the gas, you let off, the engine moves forward and back. So the motor mount is broken, which is, it's actually not the first one that I've had to do on one of these Chrysler minivans. Now they have a designed-in air gap in these, you know, where there is no rubber, and there's a reason for that, but you know, I've seen a lot of people on forums, they just fill in most, if not all, the gaps, and it lasts so much longer. You know, I mean, maybe I'll only have to do this once on here, but how about never? That'd be great. So, I know they're going for ride comfort and, you know, the feel through the steering wheel as you drive when you step on the gas, and they'll put wear and tear on the other mounts. Yada yada. You know, I mean, I don't know if the actual extra vibration will affect knock sensors on engines with knock sensors or whatnot, but maybe even just a stiffer material would be great. But anyway, that's it for this video. On to the next video, motor mount.